Okay, here we're going to look at the Taylor polynomial. The first thing we'll do is look at the formula up in red. We have P sub n of x is equal to f of c plus f prime of c x minus c plus f double prime c x minus c squared over 2 factorial over so on. I ran out of room, but of course that would be however many n's that we have in there. I ran out of room for that formula. So basically, if n was 5, we would go all the way up to x minus c 5 over 5 factorial. All right. But like I said, we ran out of room there. But as we start the problem, we want to start with f of x is equal to x cubed. F prime of x is equal to 3x squared. That's the first derivative. F double prime of x is equal to 6x. Now, the c means it's centered at 1. So this is where we have to evaluate it. F of 1, that is 1 cubed. 1 cubed is equal to 1. F prime of 1, that's 3 times 1 squared, which is equal to 3. And f double prime of 1 is equal to 6 times 1, which is equal to 6. Now we want to go directly into our formula. Remember, this is our formula. We're going up to n equals 2. So this is where we stop. So now, let's look back at our formula. So we will have p sub 2 of x. And now, that's f of c. So that's going to be 1 plus f prime of 1 times x minus c. That is 3 times x minus 1. And now as we move in our formula, that's going to be 6 x minus 1 squared over 2 factorial. Now, we know from experience that 2 factorial is 2 times 1. So let's simplify this once more. 3 times x minus 1 plus 3 x minus 1 squared. This is the Taylor polynomial that we obtain from the function f of x is equal to x cubed, centered at 1, n equals 2, which means we go to the second derivative.